Stop scrolling. Forget everything you think you know about motorcycles. What I'm about to show you isn't just a bike. It's a predator waiting in plain sight. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Model R isn't just steel and rubber. It's a heartbeat, a roar, a promise of power that hits you before you even twist the throttle. Imagine walking into a showroom. The lights dim. Silence. Then, like a scene from a movie, a single spotlight cuts through the darkness. And there it is, the Model R, matte black, polished metal accents gleaming, curves so sharp they seem to slice the air itself. Every detail whispers, "I'm not for everyone, only for those bold enough to ride me." You step closer. The engine hums like it knows you're watching. 1,250 cubic centimeters V-twin, 115 horsepower, torque that grabs you, refuses to let go. Twist the throttle, and the world explodes into a symphony of growl and vibration that makes your chest pound. 0 to 60 in under 3.5 seconds. Every nerve awake, every eye turning. You realize nothing will ever feel the same again. Design isn't just about looks. It's about attitude. The Model R's low-slung aggressive frame hugs the asphalt, cutting through wind like a predator stalking its prey. LED headlights pierce the night, a silent warning to anyone daring to compete. The digital dashboard is minimalist but brilliant, showing top speed, ride modes, and engine stats without ever distracting from the raw experience. Every curve, every angle, every brushed metal accent is crafted for one purpose: to make the rider feel untouchable. Let's talk ride modes. Sport, cruise, rain. Each transforms a bike, adapting instantly to your command. In sport, it's pure aggression. Every piston, every pound of torque screaming under you. Cruise mode smooths a ride for long stretches, while rain ensures control when the road fights back. Harley didn't just build a bike. They built a machine that knows you, reacts to you, challenges you to push harder than you ever imagined. And the engine, the 1,250 cubic centimeters V-twin doesn't just run, it roars. Each cylinder polished, engineered for precision, tuned to perfection. The exhaust growl isn't noise, it's a statement. You twist the throttle slightly, and the vibration travels through your hands, into your chest, straight into your soul. This is a sound of dominance, of adrenaline, of a machine designed not to blend in but to command attention. Now, imagine yourself on the open road. The wind tearing at your jacket, the asphalt beneath you disappearing. Your heart beating in perfect sync with the engine. Every twist, every turn, every acceleration makes ordinary motorcycles feel obsolete. The Model R doesn't just ride, it defines the road. And at $24,999, some might think it's expensive, but think about what you're really buying. Attention, respect, power, and an experience that becomes part of who you are. Let's dive deeper. Every detail has a purpose. The suspension, brakes, and chassis are tuned for perfection, giving control even at high speeds. Cornering becomes second nature, stability becomes instinct, and every ride feels like an extension of your body. The electronics are equally impressive. Advanced ABS, traction control, and sensors that anticipate your every move. Harley has created a motorcycle that is not just fast, but smart, reactive, and ruthless in precision. And yet, the beauty is in the subtlety. The leather seat, the perfectly positioned handlebars and footpegs, the balance of weight, all designed for comfort without compromising control. Every ride feels effortless until you unleash the full power, and then it becomes pure, unadulterated chaos in the best way possible. Now, let's talk aesthetics again. The Model R isn't just a machine, it's a moving piece of art. Matte black body, brushed metal accents, aggressive stance, and sculpted tank. From every angle, it's hypnotic. The kind of bike that makes people stop, stare, and wonder what it would feel like to own it. And the lighting, futuristic LEDs that cut through night or fog, making you feel like you're riding a beast from a sci-fi movie. But power without control is nothing. Harley's engineers didn't just slap an engine on a frame. They built harmony between raw horsepower and human instinct. The suspension absorbs shocks like magic. Brakes respond instantly. Torque is distributed for maximum impact. Every ride mode tweaks this balance, so that no matter how aggressive or cautious you are, the Model R feels alive, aware, and ready. Acceleration is more than numbers. It's a physical sensation. 0 to 60 in under 3.5 seconds isn't just speed. It's euphoria. Every nerve awake. Every glance from passers-by a reminder that you're in control of something extraordinary. The growl of the V-twin is music, the vibration of rhythm that pulls you deeper into the experience. Ordinary bikes become background noise. The Model R makes everything else irrelevant. And here's where it gets even more interesting. While most motorcycles are machines, the Model R feels alive. It senses your intentions, reacts to the road, and challenges you to push limits you didn't know you had. Sport mode becomes an adrenaline playground. Cruise mode, a meditation on freedom. Rain mode, a protected companion. Harley has created a motorcycle that communicates with you without words. You feel its intentions as much as it feels yours. Comfort meets aggression seamlessly. The seat, ergonomics, and balance are all designed to make every ride enjoyable.